What is up, y'all? This is Alex from Alex PC Tech, back at you with another video. And on this video, we're going to be taking a look at the ROG Delta S. So this is the latest headset that ASUS has released in the market. So this is the Delta S. So previous iterations of this one is the ROG Delta, and now we have here the ROG Delta S. Is it worth it? What are the pros and cons, and what is my experience in using the ROG Delta S? Now, to start it off, I am really a fan of ASUS because I love the durability that they have on their product. Aside from the quality, I think that they are one step above their competitors when it really comes to the durability and styling of their products. Now, just a disclaimer, this is not a paid video by ASUS. So for this one, let's open the ROG Delta S. So the packaging is very nice. Okay, it's quite a hefty headset. So you open it by like that. So this is the box for the ROG Delta S, and then what we're gonna do is we're gonna open this one. Remove the foam, and there you go. This one is in black. I'm not really sure if this will come in other colors, but for the sample that we have here, it comes with black. Okay, so let's take it out of the box. So I want to remove it out of the box. What comes with the box is this little black box again with the ear cushions. Okay, so these came with two ear cushions. One is attached with the headset, that is a leatherette ear cushions, and the other is these cloth ear cushions that you can attach to the headset. I know that one of the drawbacks of using a leatherette cushion is that it becomes hot over time, especially when you are gaming for long periods. Next is we have the USB-C. Okay, this is already USB-C connector. So we have the USB-C to USB 2.0 connector. Okay. Next is we have here the microphone. So let's check this one out. Let's put the microphone in. So it looks that it's the attachable microphone that you have. So aside from that, some manuals. Okay, the manual and I think this will be the warranty. So quick start guide and the warranty card. Right off the bat, I noticed that this is very flexible, but it's still built like a tank. Okay, there is some aluminum extenders, and the hinges have little to no play. So I'm trying it on for the first time. So let's see what are the adjustments that I can do. And so back. Oh yeah, actually they're really comfortable. It's really comfortable, I should say, and I will be testing this later, but initial thoughts, it is really comfortable. So let's start with my first impressions with this headset. So I noticed here that the headset is built like a tank. Although it's really flexible, the flexibility really contributes to the comfort that it provides when you fit it on your head. Especially for me, I usually use a speaker or a small headphone because I find that gaming headsets are really bulky and it's quite heavy for long periods of use. But for the ROG Delta S, I find that it is very light. It is quite light, and the comfort is amazing. It's really comfort. I can really say that I can game for long periods with this headset in my head. So aside from that, what we can see from the outside is it has these rocker switches to raise your volume up and down. So it returns to its original placement, up and down. And we have the ROG toggle button. So off, test. So it has voice, ROG light, and then off. Okay, so it has 3 toggles. So what's amazing about these RGBs, in my opinion, is that they are not protruding. Okay, as you can see, it's not like gamery, in my opinion. It's just the right amount. Okay, so you can turn it off, but why will you turn it off, right? It looks really amazing when it's turned on. Okay, another thing is that you can also synchronize this when talking. So for example, this RGB now has a purpose, as when I'll be speaking, for example, I'll be speaking, see that it reacts to your voice. This is also in parallel with the technology that is being developed by ASUS. They are currently working with game developers to synchronize the RGB on the game. For example, you did a specific task on the game, you dashed, you killed someone, or you got killed, the RGB will react in a specific way or in a different light. Now, looking at the connection interface, this one comes with the USB Type-C. So what I have here is the connector that came with it. It is a USB Type-C to USB 2.0. Now, what's the benefit of having a Type-C USB? The thing is, this headset is compatible with many other devices like your phone, Xbox One or Xbox One, PS5, the latest PS5, and also it is compatible with a MacBook or MacBook Pro. So there are lots of devices. Also, there is the Nintendo Switch. This is also compatible with the Nintendo Switch. Aside from that, you can also use one of your USB ports because it has the separate adapter. So kudos to ASUS. If you're gonna buy this and not just game and use it for music, you can also do that because of the sound quality. This one has better sound quality in most of its competitors, in my opinion, in the market. When I tried this on while I was gaming, I noticed that I was able to, especially on FPS games, I noticed that I was able to hear the footsteps more clearly because I was doing or playing PUBG, and I was able to pinpoint the gunshot where it came from better during a gunfight because I was playing Battlefield 5 and Apex Legends. So I was able to pinpoint the gunshot where it's coming from because of the spatial noise that is very high in this headset, in my opinion. Other than that, this one has the quad DAC technology that improves the sound quality, because what DAC does is it converts your digital signal, the files on your computer, or the digital signal, sound signal that is coming from your PC, to analog wavelengths that will then be transposed to sound by your headset. Now, this quad DAC technology really amps or upgrades the sound quality of your headset, because having quad DACs results in better quality sound as noise and resolution performance is improved to produce a higher signal. So that's one of the best features that this headset has. Another feature is that it supports hi-fi audio. Now, for hi-fi audio, currently that technology has been introduced by Amazon. Correct me if I'm wrong, but they are one of the latest companies to introduce streaming of the high-res audio. So what is a high-res audio? Basically, a high-res audio is a higher quality audio file, okay? It has its separate container, which is the MQA. It is kind of a file type or a container for the high-res audio. Some services can be availed that are streaming high-resolution audio. So if you are planning to avail those services, and I believe that that technology will be rolling out in the few years to come. So in a way, we can say that the ROG Delta S is quite future-proof, in my opinion. So other than that, let's check, aside from the sound quality, let's check the microphone quality, if you can really stream using this headphone. From this moment on, we will be using the head microphone of this one to test if and to show you if you can really stream with this headset. So now we are recording from the ROG Delta built-in microphone. So as you can see, is there any echo? Is there any noise? From the quality, from what I've heard, okay, I've actually pre-recorded one to see how the quality is. But from what I'm hearing right now, you can really stream comfortably with using this headset that is like this. There's some flexibility, although That microphone is quite short, in my opinion. It's quite short. There's no problem whatsoever in capturing my voice. So I can really recommend this if you are streaming because of the quality of the sound, because of the ASUS built-in noise cancellation AI. So it has that technology. I can really recommend this on beginner streamers or even uh, other streamers that are already streaming because of the sound quality. As you can see, you can have this as an all-in-one solution. Instead of having a separate device as your microphone, you can use it to stream comfortably. Okay, no problem. It's very light, actually. It's very comfortable right now. So ROG Delta S, is it worth it? From what I can say is yes. If you are a beginner gamer and you want to try to invest in good peripherals, I would say that the quality that you will be getting from the sound, as well as the quality that you will have while using the microphone, will really pay for itself. As you can see, it's like better to save up an extra 80 bucks or 100 bucks and rather get this instead of having something or buying something that is cheaper and will do the job. This one would really pay itself up when it comes to the sound quality, and as you can see, the microphone quality is really good. If you are a seasoned streamer or you are already gaming, then this is really a no-brainer. It is a compelling option. As you can see, aside from the build quality, the sound quality, I believe that this is the first gaming headset that only has the quad DAC implemented on it. So you can really hear the spatial quality of the sound is really there. This concept is really hard to explain, as it's like going from a 60 Hz monitor to a 144 Hz monitor. The concept is you can't really explain it to someone when you're just looking at it, but rather you just need to experience it. So aside from that, the durability, the sound quality, the microphone quality, and the R&D and the technology that ASUS has put into this, I would say that this is worth it. By the way, the availability of the ROG Delta S is by the beginning of next year, so we will be knowing the price. But as of now, as of the time of reviewing this headset, it is one of the best headsets in the market, especially the sound quality. To get to this sound quality, we need to have installed a separate sound card. But now I am really excited as the technology has come up and the manufacturers have managed to bake in these technologies and this kind of sound quality into these headsets. Like if you like this video, and please, if you have any questions regarding the ROG Delta S, please feel free to comment down below, and see you on our next video.